Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Berenice, and in today's video we will be making a conditioner which has the ability to grow and to strengthen our hair. Continue watching. For this recipe, you're going to need rice, cloves, okra, honey, and your favorite oils. Add 5 tablespoons of rice and half a tablespoon of cloves. Rice makes your hair grow longer, stronger, and smoother, and it also increases shine, while cloves contain antioxidants and nutrients that strengthens and thickens your hair and also protects your scalp from dandruff. Rinse the mixture, add water, and set aside for 1 hour. Go ahead to prepare your okra gel by rinsing, chopping, and cooking for 5 minutes. Then strain out the okra gel and set aside. I have a whole video on how to prepare and use okra gel to detangle your hair. If you have not seen that video, do check it out. The link is in the description box below. One hour later, you'll notice that the color of the water has changed. Proceed to transfer it into a pot and cook until your rice is ready. Add water when necessary. And when your rice is finally ready, put out the fire and let it cool down completely. Do not let all the water dry out, as you'll be needing it when blending. Transfer the cooked mixture of rice and cloves into your blender. Add half of your okra gel and proceed to blend. Blend until you have a really smooth paste. Fine strain the mixture to avoid getting larger particles into your hair, as they may be difficult to wash out. And now it's time for you to add your honey, your favorite oils, and the rest of your okra gel. Add a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of each of your favorite oils. Here I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of neem oil, and a tablespoon of avocado oil. Honey moisturizes and adds shine to your hair, while oils hydrate, strengthens, and stimulate growth. I made this avocado oil myself, and I'll be showing you in another video how you can make yours at home. So stay tuned. Mix all your ingredients together. the rest of your okra gel and mix well. And if you find that you still have a much thicker consistency, go ahead and add a bit of water and mix well. If I didn't know better, I would take a spoon and start eating. But then this is hair food, and now it's time to feed the hair. Apply your conditioner on freshly washed hair. Start by dividing your hair into sections, as it is always easier working in sections. Apply the conditioner on each section of the hair, from the roots to the ends of your hair. Massage it in and put the section in a twist. And when you have finished applying the conditioner on all of your hair, put on a shower cap and wait for 1 hour. My hair is ready to be washed. In the bathroom, you like to give your hair a general rinse, then a section by section rinse. Unravel each section, rinse it out properly and put it back in a twist. If you are using a shower, you like to start from the sections in front. And if you're using a sink or a bucket like I'm doing here, you like to start from the back sections so that the residues washed to the front sections can still be rinsed out. This is my hair, conditioned and rinsed with just water. No shampoo again, but it's very clean. At this point, I applied shea butter on my hair and one of my DIY oils on my scalp. Then I covered my hair and went to bed since it was quite late in the night. Dear friends and family, it's the next day and I wanted to show you how my hair looks. I went ahead to unravel the twist because I wanted to put my hair in cornrows. Here is my hair, good people. It feels so soft and manageable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.